Greetings everyone and welcome to this video on plots for descriptive statistics. So continuing on the previous video, after we have obtained our results right here, we can now plot these results in the form of various graphs. So we can just select this option of plots and a drop down will appear. Now you are free to play with these options and you are free to obtain any type of graph you want, of course depending on the data you have, but commonly used plots include the box plots and the distribution plots. As you can see in the distribution plots, you get nice distributions. So group 1 and group 2 is given here, and you can also get very nice box plots. You can further go and customize these. You can select colors if you want to better differentiate data. Sometimes it takes a while to register, but yes, you can select different colors. You can select the violin element, so this will give a better understanding of how the data is distributed in a vertical manner though, and in a symmetrical manner. So this looks good. You can use a color palette if you wish. Yes, and we can select a jitter element so that we can get a better sense of how the data is distributed exactly in this plot. We can label outliers if we wish. In this case there aren't any outliers, so we can't see them, but instead an option, and so there we have it. These are some basic plots you can plot um, after you've gotten descriptives. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.